Has your Gmail suddenly stopped receiving new emails? You might see a warning that your storage is full, but deleting a few emails didn't help. That's because your 15 GB of free space is shared between Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check what is eating up your space so you can fix it fast. First, open Gmail on your computer. If you are on a phone, use a browser like Chrome and request the desktop sites. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of your inbox. Look at the very bottom left corner. You will see a tiny progress bar. It will say something like XXGB of 15 GB used. This gives you a quick snapshot, but it doesn't tell you what is using the space. To see the details, click the icon with the arrow right next to that text. This will open a new tab for Google One Storage Management. Here is the most important part. You'll see a colorful bar. Red is Gmail. Blue is Google Drive. Yellow is Google Photos. If your bar is mostly blue or yellow, deleting emails won't help you. You need to delete files from Drive or Photos instead. Scroll down to the section that says Get Back Space or Clean Up Space. Google actually sorts your items by size here. Click Reviews under Large Emails or Large Files. This will show you the specific emails that have huge attachments. You can select and delete them right here to free up massive amounts of space instantly. Once you delete those large files, your storage bar will go down and your emails will start flowing again. If this saved your inbox, please hit like and subscribe to easy tutorials and how-tos for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.